Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make my character. And then yeah. So first we gotta get this heart. And then we just do that. We need to get another heart. Wait. No! I hate when this happens, bro. We make it like bigger. We put in the white circle. Don't mind that. And anyways, what else did we need again? Oh yeah, this. Wait, what was it? Oh yeah, it was emojis. Sorry. So first this, and then we gotta get another, but black. And then we add the eyebrow. Now let's color that black. That is not black. This is black. There you go. Now we gotta put in the blush. How do I put on the blush again? There. Wait. Oh, no. There. Actually, there. Put that there. We put another blush right. No! No! No, it's all ruined. Now I gotta do it again. So, why does this look like eyes? But where did it go? Anyways, who cares? We gotta put the big circle here. We need another black. Oh, what the? I can't speak. Please, I'm begging. I wanna do this. Anyway, I said that like 10 times now. We put this and then there. And then we get another white. Make it a slightly more big. Another white, but we don't change anything about it. And another one again. We put that there. Chika-laka-laka, the eyes are done. Oh yeah, the eyebrows. I forgot that this gone. Why is it here? We turn that black. Please don't ruin this. Please. We need to get another black. Put that there. This is my new okay, my new emoji cat. So tell me if I should change. And then this is not the money, it's the tree. Okay, we put that there. We color that black. We need to get the accessories. This and then yeah, let's go with this. Wait, actually there. Actually there. Who cares if we don't see? So this is how to bro. Okay, so this is how to make. Oh wait, actually I forgot to put the body. So normally it's pink, but since there's no pink, I normally use red, because that's the closest color I can think of that is pink. So yeah. Banana, 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 na 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 na, na 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 na. Are you guys excited for Christmas? I hope me, cause I am too. It's just there. We need the white ball. No, not that word. Ball. I mean circle. Not that other ball. What are you guys talking about? We get the other leg. There. Now we need to get the white square. Boom. And boom. This is how I look so blue. Anyway, I said that. It's okay, but so this is my character. I forgot one more thing. Wait, where is it again? Oh yeah, here. Yeah, this is gonna be her dress. So this is how to make my character. Wait 1 second. There. There, now we put that. God, stop making me touch the ones I don't wanna touch. Then we put in the other one. Now we need to get the white ball again, not the other ball. Please don't be ugly. I don't want to tell her. It's okay. So yeah, this is how to make my character. Oh yeah, one more thing. There. This tiny. That's like girl, but and now we put the dress. It is not that. Actually, no. I'll make my own dress. What color should the dress be? Of course you know it. It's like a dark shade of pink. Okay, oh wait, I forgot. I'm Sonic, guys. I'm secretly Sonic. Wasn't that fast? Boom. That was definitely fast. We put there. So yeah, let me put. Wait, is there a belt? Never mind. Is there really no belts? Oh yeah, ignore all that. Okay, then I will make my own belt. Please don't. Finally. I wanna be just like you. Don't. Maybe not that. Okay. Now we put this there. So that's how to make my character, guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.